Hello and welcome to day 5 of your 7-day meditation journey. Today we will be exploring the theme of emotional awareness, creating a safe and open space to observe our emotions as they are. By simply noticing and allowing without judgment, we open up to the wisdom and the lessons that our feelings might bring. So let's start by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, but ensuring that you feel supported and relaxed. Closing your eyes gently and bringing your awareness to your breath, just as you have been practicing over the last few days. Taking a deep cleansing breath in and slowly exhaling, letting any tension release with the out breath. Allowing your inhales to fill your chest and your belly, and then releasing gently, feeling your body become more settled, feeling yourself become heavy and calm. Now bring your attention to your chest, a place where lots of emotions are held. And imagine that you're observing this area with a soft, warm light, as though you're watching it from a small distance. Without changing or judging anything, simply notice if there are any sensations here. You may feel warmth, tightness, or lightness. Whatever is present, just allow it to be. Take a moment to ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Let this question hang gently in your mind without searching for an answer. Sometimes emotions surface immediately, and other times they're subtle, layered. Just give them the space to show up in their own way, without forcing or pushing them away. If an emotion begins to arise, perhaps a feeling of calm, joy, sadness, or even tension, acknowledge this feeling with kindness. If you're not sure what you're feeling, that's okay too. Just continue breathing gently and allow yourself to be open to whatever might come up. Sometimes it is within this stillness that we truly offer the space for our emotions to be processed. And so if you are feeling a lot of emotion come to the surface, just being with yourself, being present with those feelings, continuing to breathe gently and allow yourself to be open to whatever might come forward. And as emotions emerge, try to label them in simple terms. I feel calm. I feel anxious. I feel content. Observe your feelings as though they were passing clouds in the sky, each one unique and changing shape, yet none lasting forever. Now let's gently bring some compassion to our experience. Imagine yourself holding each emotion like a small flame in your hands, with care and acceptance. You're not here to change the flame, but to understand it, to give it space. Offer yourself these words if they resonate with you. It is okay to feel what I feel. I am safe. Notice if any insights or understandings about your emotions arise naturally. Perhaps you realize why a particular feeling has come forward, or maybe there's no explanation. Allow both knowing and not knowing to be perfectly okay. And when you're ready, slowly shifting your focus back to your breath, allowing it to ground you, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gently coming back to the present moment. Thank you so much for being open and vulnerable for today's practice. I will see you again tomorrow for day 6 of our meditation journey.